I made this demonstration to support my ideas around integrating an AI in an engineering process. The first thing that I wanted to be able to do is I wanted AI to be able to build up a knowledge base for my engineering practice. So I went out and gathered some, let's say, some corporate knowledge, some internet resources, and I just let my AI tool build a wiki page for me. So it decomposed all the information that I gave it, organized it into a wiki. From there, I wanted to write a product specification. So I needed to build this product, what I want for an outcome, and I let the AI tool then take that specification, go through my wiki, and build what I would call a technical specification. So these are all the components that I need to build out into the product, sizing information, and from there, I let the CAD system build what the technical specification represented. So once I have my technical specification, I have my CAD data, then the next thing that I wanted to accomplish is I wanted to take the results of that information and put it into a product document. So now I've got an end-to-end process. I let the AI build a wiki page. I gave it a specification. It gave me a technical specification, built my CAD data, and then in the end, I have a documented process.